Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can send WhatsApp broadcast message. Alright guys, first of all, go to your WhatsApp application on your phone, and after that, if you want to send WhatsApp broadcast message, the first thing you have to do is clicking on this three dots button on the top right corner of your screen. Then you can click on new broadcast. Since you want to send broadcast message, then you can select the context that you want to send the broadcast message. So for example, I'm going to select this contact. You can tap on the contact like this to select the contact. Okay, and after that, we just need to click on this check mark button. Then if you want to send your broadcast message, you just need to type the broadcast message right here. And for example, I'm going to tap this message. And after you're done typing your broadcast message, you just need to click on this send button, and then your broadcast message will be automatically delivered to the contacts that you have selected. Alright guys, and that's how we can send WhatsApp broadcast message. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.